Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you Ganesh quick chopper. I buy it from Amazon. MRP is 621, but I buy some less amount of price. Because in Amazon this time offer is running. After use of 1 month, I will give this review. I buy it for my personal use from my own money. It is not a sponsored product. It has 3 blades, 3 stainless steel blade, and it is scraper. That is, it scrap out bottom portion to take out veggies or anyone you want to chop in this. It is a manual chopper. Electricity is not required in this chopper, and it is very handy. Previously, I used this Prestige manual chopper for more or less 7 years, but now it is damaged. So I replace it with this Ganesh chopper. At first, I put some carrot cube or cube shaped carrot, and pull this rope. You can see. Otherwise it can be swept from my countertop. You can see carrot is chopped, but it is harder, not too much harder, slightly harder. Let's see onion. You can see second time we try to slip it. Anyway, onion is also chopped. Now tomatoes. Tomatoes are also chopped. And now I chopped here beetroot. Let's see, beetroot are also chopped. We can see a rubber band bottom portion of this chopper. It's prevent from slip out from this countertop, otherwise it can be slip when we work or when we pull this rope. This time it can be slip. For this reason, this rubber band help or prevent from slipping, whereas this prestige gasket is thick than this Ganesh chopper. Anyway,